Chicken thighs are so juicy and delicious that you don't really need to do very much to make them amazing on the grill. Unroll them first so that you have a lot of surface area for the seasoning and for the grilling. Season them up with salt, garlic powder, and chili powder, and then I like to spritz them with oil instead of brushing them so it doesn't dislodge the spices as much. Make sure you get the seasonings and the oil on both sides, and then you're grilling them nicer side down over high heat until some really good grill marks show up. It's going to be about 4 or 5 minutes. Cover the grill the whole time they're cooking. After the 4 or 5 minutes, check for those grill marks, flip them over, and then do another 4 to 5 minutes. If you wanted to add barbecue sauce, you would add it for the last minute and then do one more flip. If not doing the barbecue sauce, don't do the extra flip. You are looking for an internal temperature at the thickest point of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. They'll rise up to the safe temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit by the time you get them to the table. Get more taste-easy recipes at cookthestory.com.